Look at that. No coffee.
We're actually going to run some wiggle wire Homestead channel, if that's possible. It just seems like it'd be a nightmare. Because every time you put this wiggle wire on, you push the plastic.
First sip. That is strong. That is really good. Okay. Taking husband his. We'll see you outside. They're off. Good morning, everybody. The sunflowers are so pretty this morning. Yeah, that's nice. I haven't showed you the front porch yet, have I? I haven't. Look at that. Here, these are all perennial flowers. They will all come back next year. I'm super excited about it. I've been trying to get stuff to grow in this bed for a couple of years now. There's these. This one has just taken off. She's huge. She's humongous. Then there's that fern and more of this. The daisy, not so much. Lavender is doing well. This is a hibiscus, I think. It's gonna come in over the winter. This is the view. Good morning. First place we're going today is the barn. We're gonna come back to the chickens and ducks and we're gonna get that coop done. But we gotta feed these animals before 9 o'clock. Wait, here.
Put that in that one.
Cookie. And that's why you don't own Arabians. You psycho. Ugh.
Yellow jacket. That's what yellow jacket.
Where?
That's what the pills were called.
Well, now she's loud.
So it's been, obviously, as you could tell, an interesting morning. The horses are wild up, round up, and excited, and they haven't been let out in a while. So we just might do that today. Who knows? Cookie, it is not that serious, girl. Go eat your feed.
What's your boyfriend?
Hi, love. You're on camera.
Hey,
I'll be right back.
hello world, I'm picking up poop. That AC was kicking so hard your glasses fogged up.
I know.
They're still fogged up.
I know. You clean them?
With my dirty shirt?
I don't care.
What are we doing?
You're going to find zip ties.
I see that. You're doing an
You're going the wrong way.
excellent
What are you drinking?
job. What?
What are you drinking?
Nothing. Yet?
What? Is it good?
Yup.
Turn around, weirdo. Go that way.
Go this way.
Yeah.
Poop. Six.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. That's why I can't take him nowhere. He done made a new best friend. Said I waited so long.
Knee up down?
Oh God. We're gonna go to Walmart now. We got 15 things of pine shaving for the stalls. We bought a lot of different stuff this time. We normally don't buy stuff like this, but we're getting really creative with our cooking stuff. So I went ahead and stocked up on some packet seasonings. These were all on sale. So our Walmart is doing reconstruction, and a lot of the stuff is on sale, and I can't beat it. So we've got 4 packs of the chili for Yellowstone. Never had it. The 4/6 chili. That's going to be really good for the fall. We also bought stuff for Sloppy Joe's because we've been wanting Sloppy Joe's. So we have ground beef for that. We also got mushroom gravy so we could do meatloaf. I went ahead and picked up salami and pepperoni. We're going to do pizza one night. So we also picked up au jus gravy, and we're going to use, to make these sandwiches, we're going to use ribeye steak because they're on sale at our Walmart. This one was $8, and this 3-pack of New York strip family pack was $25. So it runs, this pack would have been $32 and this would have been $12, almost $13. So we saved $11.
You make my ass look fat, or does my ass make my jeans look fat?
You gotta say that all over again. What?
Hey baby, got a question. You want some cafe?
Yeah,
kind of-
someone caffeine.
You want coffee?
Yes.
Hey, got a question.
What?
Hey, do my jeans make this? Do my ass make my jeans look fat, or my jeans make my ass look fat?
Both.
Okay, just making sure.
Mira!
Man, that was reverberation. I felt it go straight through my body, up and down. Wow, I think I hurt my fingertip. Ow.
That was a little aggressive.
They were a little numb.
It's about to start pouring down rain. We've been inside trying to clean up. We're going to unload these really, really quickly and then try and miss the rain. Just kidding. It's already been rained on. Okay, the other, these 6 can go 2 in each stall. We're going to go put them in
You
there.
gotta clean up. Ow.
We did already.
No, I'm talking about cleaning it out.
We can't do that. It'll cause a bowl. We can't do that. Oh, okay. Let me just turn my flashlight on. Thank God I did.
She does it. We told her to shut you. Here's how she walks. If she falls asleep on the couch, don't matter what time it is, it could be 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock at night, and it's like, babe, we gotta get up.
I do that for a
She shuffles her
reason.
feet. She shuffles her feet.
Why did you do it?
So that I don't run into nothing.
Yeah. So if her foot,
My foot will catch it
She'll
before
hit-
anything else.
So you're like the automatic vacuum cleaner?
Yeah.
you're a Roku. Oh.
Y'all see that moon up there? That's so pretty. So our plan today, we're gonna go feed the animals in muck stalls. We're also gonna start working on the duck and chicken pen today. We have a very busy day today. And we have help. The boys are ready to go. Mom feels like dog water. Raiden feels like tired. Okay folks, we're gonna gather all our deer and we will meet you outside. Oh, no. Yep. One. Tell them a green one and a pink. Yeah, you did.
Okay.
Now here's the easy part.
Okay.
Look at that one.
Oh.
Okay, now go over.
That's enough.
Okay, now go turn it off.
Is this good?
All the way.
Hey boys,
Yeah.
y'all think y'all can go over and start grabbing the shavings from the old chicken pen? Boys?
And stop. Bring me that wheelbarrow.
ground is uneven.
Right.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get these other screws, not these. These are gonna be the affixers to the whole frame this way. I mean, we're making what we got.
Yeah.
And these pieces of wood are, like you said, are warped. So it ain't gonna be as straight as if we got her. But at least it's gonna look good.
Well, that's different.
Mm-hmm.
This is the weekend.
This is one day of the week.
Why are we measuring all the way?
Because this is already 4. Four makes 23.5 feet. This is 23.5 feet.
We have enough. There's 5.
Where's 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
That's just 3.
Over here. Oh, yeah.
So, if you're wondering what we're doing, we're adding fans to the stalls because it's really, really hot in here and it's hot out there. So we're trying to give them a solution to cool down for the horses. I think for now we're gonna just do 3 fans. We have 4, but we're only gonna do 3 because we don't want the breaker to trip. I don't have any trees. I don't have any trees. I don't have any trees. I don't have any Fritos. I don't have any Fritos.
I guess we gotta go out again.
Jesus.
And the funny thing was,
Another one over there and another one over there.
yeah, we're gonna have to get a big one.
Look at that thing. And then there's another one there. Another one there. And then there's one over here. There's 2 over there in the corner.
One there.
There's one there and one there. Goodness.
We're gonna buy all the wasp sprays.
In the world.
taking fat off.
Thank God.
What? No?
Yes.
Good God. This is falling apart, man.
Good. Buster, you sound like a diesel engine, dude. You're drooling, my love. So before we went out and fed the animals, I made an angel hair tomato beef-based pasta with sour cream and garlic.
Like a pesto.
Yeah, kind of like a pesto, but beef version. And we're going to have it with a beef roast. It's still hot. Okay, now my mouth is watering. How much do you want, baby?
Do another.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
So would you say we had a good day today, babe?
We had a busy day.
Yeah?
Yeah, we did. I mean, it wasn't like too, what you call it? It wasn't too, it was busy, yet it wasn't exhausting.
This much?
That's
That
good.
much. You want the veggies too?
Whatever you want to give. I'm not picky.
The whole beef tips I used to make?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Well, this is similar.
I'm drooling.
So what? Say that again. See what I tell you.
Oh, my God.
The juice. See, you said that the noodles were going to be a little bland, but really, once you added the sauce to
I
it.
was craving this. This is like literally what I wanted.
Well, it's a good thing. But,
We're gonna go enjoy the rest of our dinner. We enjoyed our day with you. We will see you tomorrow.
right now, thanks for watching.